you guys have any advice for a mom of two on how to like get my act together and find our routine and our groove, send them my way because I'm struggling. We are getting ready to go. Where are we going? Oh, we're going to Costco because we are out of that Boom Chicka Pop kettle corn that Emmy loves. I mean, we all love it, but so we ran out of it last night and Emmy asked for it because she likes to have a little snack before she goes to bed. And we said, Emmy, we're out. And she said, we need to go to the store and buy some popcorn. So that was last night. And then this morning she said again that we need to go to the store and buy some popcorn. So we are going to the store to buy some popcorn. We're gonna go to Costco, which is our favorite place anyways. We love to just stroll around, and we are definitely gonna miss Costco when we move because we don't have one where we're moving to. We have one an hour away and that's the closest. So we're gonna struggle. We do have a Sam's Club, but it is just not the same. I am a huge grease ball right now. My hair is absolutely disgusting and needs to be washed. But I have been having a hard time finding the time to do it. Like, I'm having a hard time ever since Oakley was born, finding our routine, finding our schedule. I used to put Emmy to bed and then take my shower before I go to bed, and I had time to like wash my hair, do whatever. But Oakley has been going to bed at 10 o'clock. Like, that is when he wants to go to bed. He'll sleep and kind of snooze before then, but if we put him down, he'll wake right up. But 10 o'clock is his sweet spot, so that doesn't give me a whole lot of time to like take my shower and do my hair and then also like kind of wind down before bed. And then during the day, we're like busy with the kids. So I don't know when is a good time for me to like take my shower and wash my hair. I don't know why I felt the need to share all this with you, but I felt like I needed to explain why I look the way I do. I'm just having a hard time finding the balance right now. There's a lot going on in our life, and a shower, well, I do take a shower every day, I just want to clarify, but a shower to wash your hair and get all the things done is just not like a priority. As embarrassing as it is to say that. If you guys have any advice for a mom of two on how to like get my act together and find our routine and our groove, send them my way because I'm struggling. Where are we going? Do you know what? Costco. And what are we gonna buy at Costco?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? How about popcorn?
Popcorn?
You want some popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You ready to go shopping, Mr. Guy? You're tired. Look at those red eyebrows. You're sleepy. You want to take a nap in the car, bud? Okay. You all saw some of the things that we got from Costco today, but I wanted to show you everything that we got. We didn't go crazy, we just got a few things that we needed. We're trying not to buy in bulk a whole lot because, you know, we're going to be moving here and we don't want to have to move all that food with us or waste it. But we did need some things to get us through this month. So I got another one of these organic spinach and cheese raviolis. We flew through the last thing that we got, and it was so yummy, and it's so easy just to like put in a pot of boiling water for a really quick dinner one night. We got another thing of the organic eggs. We really like these ones. Of course, we got our popcorn for Emerson and me, let's be honest. And then this is a new salad. We like to get the kits from Costco. They're usually really healthy. They have a lot of greens in them. But this is a new one that they had, and we haven't tried it yet. It's organic cherry, almond, blue. It's got blue cheese and then a blue cheese vinaigrette, and I am a huge fan of blue cheese, so I think I'm really gonna like this one. And I like that it has the cranberries in it, so it's kind of like a sweet and salty salad. I am wearing Oakley while I'm doing this haul, so if you guys hear a little noise in the background, that's not coming from me, it's coming from him. Got another bag of bananas. These are for Emerson mainly. She got a little excited in Costco and threw them out of the cart onto the floor, so they're probably pretty, yeah, I can tell they're pretty smashed up, but oh well, they're for her anyways. We got a little thing of blueberries. We like to have some fruit on hand just to kind of give her throughout the day to snack on, something healthy. And then these are something that every time we go through Costco, Andrew goes, ooh, those look good, and we never get them. And they were on sale today, so we picked them up. It's just a big bag of these organic pretzel, like crisps. And these are really good to dip in hummus, or just to have as a snack, and we can snack on them or have them with her lunch. And the only thing that I don't have up here to show you, it's still in the car, is a big case of sparkling water. It's been on sale this week, so this is our second pack. But they're really good. It's a little bit different than just drinking your water throughout the day. And I also like to put my Ningxia Red antioxidant drink, like supplement drink thing, and I mix it with the sparkling water. It's really good. So that is all we got from Costco today. Emmy is down for a nap. I'm gonna finish yesterday's video and get that out. It's a big one. It's a really big one. And you guys already know what the big secret is while you're watching this, but I'm getting that out and I'm really excited to like get that off my chest and have everybody know about it. Oakley Man's being sweet as usual, and I'm going to, after I finish the video, take a shower, wash the hair that I've been needing to wash for a long time. I'm gonna run to the post office, and then tonight we are going over to Andrew's parents' house and having a little get-together dinner. It's gonna be so nice. Oh gosh, what are you doing, bud? What you doing?
I want a popcorn hat.
I got you milk, and you already had milk. What? I didn't know that Dada had gotten you milk. Well, do you want some more milk? Here, do you want some more milk? Lucky girl. Emmy is on day 2 of having not had a nap, not taken a nap. Be sweet to him, he's sleeping, okay? She is very good at talking us into things. She's very good. She's gotten really good at talking us into rocking her to sleep, and we've broken this habit in the past before, but she's talked us back into it. So right now she is in the habit of being rocked to sleep, and she won't let us put her down until she's like out cold. So we're gonna have to work on that again. But yesterday she didn't take a nap, and today she's not taking a nap. So we're having some quiet time, huh, Emmers? Are we having some quiet time? You're so cute. It's a good thing you're a cute girl. Sometimes you're a little bit of a stinker. But we love you.
Mama, get out.
Did you know that Mama loves you?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's good. As long as you know that. As long as you know it. We've got everybody in the car, and we are headed over to Andrew's parents to have just kind of like a little get together and have dinner with them. So we picked up some pizza and some cheesy bread and some wings. And Andrew made those delicious brown butter. Did you make the brown butter ones? You made the brown butter? Dang. The brown butter toffee chocolate chip cookies he made the other day, they made so many the last time he made them, and we ate them all. So he made a half batch this time. So good. Go straight to the bath. Here, wait, you want to pick out a popsicle? Come here. You want to pick out a popsicle? Oh.
I'm scared to look.
Yeah, you gotta be careful in those socks, huh? Come here, let's pick out a popsicle.
Oh, I found them.
Okay, pick out your popsicle. What color do you want? You want an orange one? Okay, put the box back. We have to somehow go through all of this stuff in the freezer before we move. We got a lot of food we need to eat, huh, bud? Okay. Come on, let's go. Be careful with your socks. They're slippery. She says she's skating.
You're skating? All right.
Andrew is about to put Emmy to bed, and I am sitting here with Oakley Man, the sweetest guy. I'm gonna put him in the bath and then hopefully get him to bed. He's really tired. His little eyes were all red. And then I'm gonna have some me time, and I think I'm gonna get in the bathtub, and I would like to try and make myself a schedule, like a loose schedule for the day. So it's gonna be like Oakley's feeding schedule, because I would love to get him on more of a schedule. Now that we have the reflux situation kind of like under control, I would love to get him kind of on a schedule, get me on a schedule. Emmy's pretty good about her schedule, but she needs to start going to bed earlier. I think she would be a happier person. So that's what I'm gonna do in the bathtub, and then maybe I'll call it an early night. We'll see. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I don't even know what day of Vlogmas this is. I said it earlier in the video, but thank you guys for watching and for hanging out with us on a daily basis. I love it. It's been so fun so far. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done that already, and follow us on Instagram at alli_gooch. And I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.